Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Prometheus data source using basic auth detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have Prometheus installed and running on your system. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Prometheus dashboard. Locate the configuration section from the sidebar menu. Click on Data Sources to view the list of configured data sources. Select Add Data Source to begin the authorization process. Choose the desired data source that you wish to configure with basic authentication. In the data source settings, locate the HTTP section. Within the HTTP section, find the field labeled Authorization. Enter the authorization credentials in the format required for basic auth. This typically follows the format, username and password. For security, consider encoding these credentials in base64. To encode, you can use various online tools or programming languages. Once encoded, prefix the string with basic in your entry. Submit the changes to save your new data source configuration. Next, navigate back to the main dashboard by clicking on Metrics or Graph. Begin testing the connection to verify that the basic auth setup is functioning correctly. This can usually be done by running a query against the data source. If the connection is successful, you should see the appropriate metrics displayed. In case of issues, double-check your credentials and the data source URL. Adjust any firewall or network settings if necessary to allow communication. Remember to monitor Prometheus logs for any error messages that may provide further insights. Once everything is configured correctly, you can utilize Prometheus with basic authentication effectively. Your Prometheus data source is now authorized and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.